Hey everyone, I'm Adam Kelly from Immersive Limit. I'm pretty excited because this is the first video in a complete course that's going to teach you how to create a simple 3D platformer style game in Unity. The gist of the game is that you'll make this cactus character that collects coins. And once you've collected enough coins, you can stand on this special platform to gain access to a hidden desert oasis. The course videos will be completely free on YouTube, released over the next several weeks, but if you want to get the full experience right away, check out the link in the description or on the courses page of immersivelimit.com. If you join the course on our website, you'll get all of the 3D assets, immediate access to all of the videos without ads, additional help resources, as well as a fully completed Unity project with all of the source code. All right, if you're ready, let's get started. Let's start out with a new Unity project. So open up Unity Hub, and if you don't already have that installed, make sure to go to the companion website for instructions on how to set up Unity for the first time. But we're going to click on New Project once we do have this up. And we want to click the URP option. That stands for Universal Render Pipeline. And it's a 3D sample scene, so there's a lot of stuff that's in here that we're not going to actually use, but we can't get around that. There's no way to just get an empty project. So we're going to have to pick a location for this. So you can click on this to browse to a location where you want to save it. And then we want to give this a name. So I'm going to call this Cactus Coins. It doesn't really matter what you call it, as long as you don't have something else already in that folder with the same name. So once you have picked a name, click Create Project. And Unity will start opening up, and it may take some time. So we'll come back once you have this set up and once Unity is open. Hey, we really hope you're enjoying the course so far. If you are, make sure to check out the rest of our courses on immersivelimit.com. There's other Unity and Blender related game development stuff that you'll probably be interested in. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.